What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and how to fix PS5 error, and the error code is WS-116420-4, unable to connect to the server. It's simply a network connection error or a server error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go to the screen, and then we must go to the settings. Here we are at the settings, and then user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and your PlayStation 5 console is logged in or not. And then you just go to the network. Back to the network, view PlayStation network services. You just check the server. Sometimes server is down when you're working on the updates. Here, if you get the red option, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If you get the green all is, then server is working up and good, you have a local internet problem. So you must fix your own internet connection. Forget the old one, connect with the new one. Here is go to the advanced settings, frequency settings, advanced settings, and then go to the DNS. You can change the DNS settings manually, faster DNS, you can connect it, and the MTU setting 1500 is okay. You do the same on the LAN WAN cable also. So simply, that's how you can do it. But I'm just going to suggest you use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4, a LAN cable. So you will get the better speed on it. So simply, that's how you do. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.